faceless gold and trash the hotel. Let's get drunk on the minibar. Make the phone call. Feel so good getting what I want. All right, I think this is good enough at least. I mean, we got the vertical one going. So it's fine. I'm fine with this. Yeah, it'll just show black on the sides. That's fine. Whatever. All right, welcome. What are we gonna do today? We are going to, let's change the title here. Building, what am I building? Room of requirement. Maybe. I don't know. Or just chilling. Streaming software, blog, thumbnail. We're changing the thumbnail to what shall we change it to? Aruba, Jamaica, ooh, I wanna take you to Bermuda. Alright, we can change it to that. That's fine. Or you know what? We're just gonna, I don't know. Sure, change it to that. Audience, no. Paid promotions, no. Altered content, no. Chapters, tags, blah blah blah. Save. All right. Concurrent viewers, hello. I'm actually going to be doing stuff now. So we shall, we shall see how this goes. All right, let's stay over here in the feed like that. And then we're going to add the subscriber count if we can figure it out. What? Where's the webcam? There it is. I feel like I'm like off-centered a little. There we go. Okay. And then now we're gonna add 100. Thank you. Oh, we already got 2 likes. Welcome. Anyone in the chat? We're gonna add something. Sorry, I'm just playing around. Bro, you are so awesome living. Thanks. Nasal, make sure you subscribe and like the stream if you haven't already. I see there's already 2 likes, so I appreciate it. I'm still trying out my streaming software, so we're figuring it out as we go. Aid Peach, welcome. I'm trying to figure out how to add image text. Okay. Okay. Let's see if we can do this here. I will eat a dog treat. Okay. Enable and chat log, color, blah, blah, blah. Color 1, color 2. Select your color. How's that look? Ooh, that looks cool. All right, I like that. Let's back this up a little. If we can. So that there's more Rumi Trejo says hi. Hello. We're going to make the chat bigger so I can read it well. All right, and we're going to bring up the streaming thingy. Okay. Where's the text? There it is. Can I not put a background on it? Maybe if I just bring this down. All right. And then I know this looks a little wonky, but hold on a second. We're working here. We're working here. Not sure how to give this a background. Order, transfer, coloring. This must be really entertaining to watch me try and figure this out. Image, scene, video capture device, browser, Mac screen capture, display. What do we want it to do? Method, window capture. Show windows with empty names. What? Show full screen and hidden window applications. Show cursor. What? Application capture. UK. Yeah, I'm okay. How are you? I'm okay. You okay? Let me see. Why? How do we... Window. It's like not choosing a window. This is ridiculous. Oh, we've already gotten 2 new subscribers, though. That's cool. Awesome. Thank you. Okay. Now... What? Edit. Order. Move up, move down, transform, fit to screen, scale, figure blending mode. There's so many options. This is ridiculous. Honestly, I might just switch back to Streamlabs. It's so much easier to use. And I do this dual output anyway, so like who cares? Okay, add group image, no. Scene, no. Text, video capture, Mac OS, screen capture. What is this thing doing? Preview projector, Mac OS screen capture. Why is this so tiny? How do I just freaking add the... My God, this is going to drive me insane. I'm glad you're having fun. Someone's laughing. Because I'm freaking confused. It's saying I can add a window from my Mac screen, but it's like not doing it. So what do I do? Like, what? I'm beyond lost. Just add a freaking thing. Like, how hard is that? Let me see if it does it on the regular one. Add source. Okay. Display capture, sure. Window capture, and there's no windows to select. How are you supposed to capture windows if you can't even... Oh my god, I'm losing my mind. Okay. Image slideshow, browser. I could do a browser one, but then it makes me log in. So it's like, what's even the point of doing the browser? Like, see, I can't do the, like, screenshot output, projector, preview, blah, blah. Skill for, like, I can't go into the browser itself to do it. So like it's just a browser there for display. So I might switch to Streamlabs. This is just getting stupid. It's requesting to bypass the system private window picker and directly access your screen and audio. Sure. Yeah, like this is just so much easier to use. And if we can do the dual streams on here, then I'm fine with that. That sounds good to me. So here, let me see if I can do this now. macOS screen capture. We are going to delete that one. And then add a new one. And it's going to be display source, browser source, window capture. We're going to make a new window here with the subscriber count. We're going to do window capture, add source, select option, and we want Chrome, analytics, that one. Perfect. Do you see how easy that was? I'm sticking to Streamlabs. So much better. Like so much better. Unbelievably better. We can just have a tab open like that and have the subscriber count right there. Like that. Perfect. Whoa, okay. That was unexpected. All right, now we're gonna put this here. We're gonna put this here. And then how do you change the lock source projector, editor, layout editor? All right, this is the fun part. Mini feed, source, blah, 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 studio mode, editor, studio mode. Ay. Services, settings, stream, server, primary ingest server, stream key, etc. Output. Okay, video. Custom. Output resolution. Base canvas. We're gonna make that, what's that, 1920 by 1080. We can make it 1080 by 1920. There we go. Webcam group is over here, so let's put that in the middle here, like this. Very good. Now we have the subscriber count in the top. Maybe we make the browser bigger and then just make this window smaller. Oops. I don't think it really matters. At the Copacabana, the hottest thing north of Havana. Why is this so difficult? Oh my God. At the Copacabana, music and passion, they're always in fashion at the Copa. They fell in love. Her name was Lola. She was a showgirl with yellow feathers in her hair. A dress from there to there. She did the merengue and did the cha-cha. Let's be a star at the bar. Alright, let me see if there's been any more chats. I'm sorry, everybody. You're so cool. I like you're so cool, I mean. Okay, thank you. So yeah, sorry for this weird stream. I'm just still trying to figure out how to even work this damn thing. Okay. Alright, we're going back to Streamlabs over here. And now we're going to add a new source. We want it to be media, probably text. Yeah, text. Guest name. Sure. How do you even make this bigger? Okay. So it's guest name. How do you edit it? Performance mode, scale factoring, blah, 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 group. Okay, there we go. Okay. Font size. Is there a way to center the text? Use Google Fonts. Text input from file. No. Chat log. Chat lines. Color 1. Make it like blue. Sure. Color 2. Drop shadow. Outline. Do we want an outline? Do we want a drop shadow? Sure. Do we want... There's no way to do it like a background? That's so stupid. But, okay, we can put that down there. 1,300 subs, and I will eat a dog treat. Alright, we still need to edit that a bit further. Okay, now we can put that up top here. that. This is funny. All right. And now go live on this one and end this one. Go live on this one and end this one. And it should have just switched over. Did it work? I don't know if it... That looks ridiculous. Hey, Nasal Castaneda. Hello. Previously, hello. Hello, little Elbricks. I'm currently testing out my streaming software. Yeah, my face is wide. Yes. Currently testing out my streaming software and clearly not doing a great job at that. But yeah, we're working on it. Okay. Let's change the output here. All right, we need to go to Streamlabs, go to settings, base canvas. All right, we're gonna switch back to OBS. I was using OBS, and then now I'm switching to Streamlabs, and then I'm gonna switch back again. Probably, I'm just trying to figure it out. Trying to figure out the best one to use, and the best way that I can use it, kind of thing. So I can probably help you if you need. Yeah, I mean, I'm figuring it out. I'm kind of just trial and erroring here. But I might take you up on that, but let me see if I can get it first. Because I think I'm close. Output scaled resolution. Maybe that's why it wasn't working. 1080 by 920, 1080 by 920. Like that. Okay, maybe. Go live and then end this one. Go live and then end this one. Okay, so we're gonna switch back now to Streamlabs. That looks better. Yep, there we go. Perfect. Awesome. Awesome. The way it is now. Yeah, so I have it vertical. The only thing I couldn't figure out is how to do like two separate streams, like one for horizontal and one for vertical. I have it dual stream right now on YouTube that it just kind of like handles it for you. But yeah, I couldn't figure out how to do like completely two separate streams where one is wide and then the other is vertical. It just is showing the vertical one in the wide. So, I don't know. Yeah, OBS in general is a pain. I like Streamlabs so much better. It's so much easier to use. I realize like OBS is probably more powerful, but like Streamlabs is just so much more user friendly. Like by a mile. So. Whoa, why'd the horizontal one go? Whoa, what happened? What happened? Everything was going great. Why did it do this? I like didn't change anything. I don't know what happened. $1080 downscale, blah blah blah. I didn't push anything. I promise I did not push anything. All right, let me switch back to OBS for a second. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. Okay. I don't know what it did. It's at 1920 by 1080, I think. Streamlabs, yeah, they're all a pain, it seems. Um, All right, I can try to just set it up to. I mean, this should be working. I don't understand. Yeah, no, it's back to zoomed in. So here we go. Hold on a second. Just keep switching between the streaming services. All right. Do that. Do that. Faster, not blurry scaling. Blah blah blah. Okay. We're gonna do this like that, like that. Okay, and then move this over here, move this over here, make this a little smaller, and make this a little smaller. Hopefully that should be good. If it's not, I'm going to scream. How's that look? Okay, on the widescreen it looks fine. On the vertical it looks small. So I can change that real quick, but at least the dimensions are right. That's all that matters. And honestly, I can add a little box around the thing so that it like looks better. So I can see on the live part where things are. Don't touch anything. Yeah. We're going to put this over here. Okay. Like that. Just fine. Thank you, Nasal. Nasal. There we go. Just like that. Perfect. Nice. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, so the vertical stream looks good. Now the horizontal stream looks good. And yeah, we're pretty good to go, I think. That looks good. Yeah, horizontal's fine. The vertical looks good as well. They both seem to look good. Yep. All right. We're gonna maybe I'm gonna move this over a little. There we go. Like that. Okay. But yeah, no, that's a real thing there. If I get to 1,300 subscribers on this stream, I will eat one of my dog's treats. That is a real thing. So, make sure you like and subscribe. Oh, there we go. There's one. You can also lock everything so nothing moves accidentally. Let me see if I can do that. Yeah, lock sources. I see. Nice. Cool, cool. Very good, very good. All right, should I actually build something now, or should I just sit and talk and just hang? Oh, maybe I can show off some stuff. But yeah, APT is Royal Master. Everything is in storage now. What is UT APT? Flashlight. What is flashlight? But here I can show some things that I made. Here is the Capitals logo. Right there. So that's pretty cool. All the little details there. All the like individual bricks. This was such a crazy thing to build, honestly. I think this took me like 3 or 4 streams. Show a song. I don't know what is that. This is a the national it's the Capitals logo. It's a hockey team. Yeah, this was a really cool build. This is hard to tell now with Streamlabs because Streamlabs shows it in horizontal, but I want to see what it looks like in vertical in real time. So that's going to be a hard adjustment. I'm thinking maybe I can like somehow cut off the, just so it doesn't display the full thing for me, but I don't know. Or I could like cover up one side with something and then another side with the chat or something like that. Cut off the side. Yeah, like cut off the sides. So like on Streamlabs it's showing the whole horizontal view, but I want to see what it looks like in real time on the vertical view rather than the horizontal one, so I can see like, okay, is me showing this Capitals thing getting cut off on the vertical stream, because I know everything on the vertical stream will be covered on the horizontal, but not everything horizontal will be on the. I have PNGs of a black image to cut things off. Yeah, like I don't want to actually cut it off on the stream itself. I just want to cover it on my own screen, like on top of the Streamlabs window. Um, yeah, like I want it to send a full horizontal stream, but I don't want it to show in my vision. You know what I mean? So I kind of just drag the whole Streamlabs thing over so it cuts off the left side, and then the right side I'll put right, whatever is shown on OBS is what we see, right? So on the horizontal part, so I want to see. Yeah, I'm talking nonsense. I know what I'm trying to say, but I'm not saying it right. Yeah. So, and then I want to get some sort of camera too, so I can just leave my laptop on the side and then have the camera plugged in, move the camera wherever I want. So, I'm making sense. Good. I'm glad I'm making sense to somebody. Yeah. I mean, I want to have like the computer right here so I can read messages and things, and then have the camera like further back or something so I can have some space on the table. But yeah, we'll see if I can get that working. Hey, then maybe get a even. Hey, sorry. Then maybe even get like a microphone or something like that. I can recommend you a good camera that is cheap on eBay. The ones I have. Yeah, if you can send me something on Amazon, actually, that'd be better. Because I'll buy it right off of Amazon. Trying to think, should I build anything or should I just keep chatting? I don't know. Well, we've gotten Amazon. Okay, I can post link here. On here unless I'm a, oh, can't unless I'm a mod. Okay, I can make it a mod. I don't care. Go to channel, add as a moderator. Can manage blocked words and change chat, and also has capability of standard moderator. Can review and remove chat messages or hide. Nah, actually. Not that I'm asking to be. No, you're fine. I mean, I don't really, just for the, if I make you a moderator, does that mean you're a moderator for all of my streams or just this one? Here, I'll make you a moderator either way. Now standard moderator, just this channel. Wait, so for like any stream I do on this channel, you're now a moderator, or just for this stream by itself? Yes, yes to which? Any stream on this channel or just this one live stream? I don't care either way, really, but just this channel. Any stream. Okay, gotcha. Gotcha. Yeah, where are my party people? We need Eggy back. Eggy's hilarious. Hey. I'm looking up on Amazon now. Okay, cool. Thanks. Yeah, I need a camera. I mean, I might like have an old Ring camera or something. I don't know if I can connect that to the computer, but maybe that could work. I can configure that somehow, but I don't know. Or an Arduino camera. Um, yeah, I don't know. Jeez. I'm tired. I honestly might end the stream. Now that I figured this out, like that was my main goal for tonight was just figuring out how to do this. Now that I know how to do this, I might end the stream once you send the camera link because I'm freaking tired. Here's the model just in case. HDV 205 LTRM. Nice. I'll definitely check it out. Actually, I could probably check it out right now. Let me see. Copy this. Go over here. Video camera. Blah, blah, blah. Nice. Digital volume. Yep, I found it. Ooh, that is nice. It's pretty big though. No, it's not. Never mind. And it has a nice like tripod you can get for it. Is that built in or? Yeah, that's nice. Nice. Very, very cool. Windproof cotton noise, interference, aluminum sound cube, shielding interference, standard hot shoe. Noise canceling, thingamajiggy. 8 megapixel CMOS. 1080 camcorder. Yeah, no, that's cool. And does it connect via Bluetooth, I'm guessing? Or remote control, 2 batteries. Nice. Thanks for the recommendation, at least. For like $100. Yeah, no, I saw it on Amazon for 90. Maybe it's not the exact same model then. But the one that came up when I searched for it looked pretty good. But yeah, I'll get something. I'm probably just going to get something cheap just to play around with at first. And then if the channel really starts doing well, then I can switch to something better. But anyway, yeah, I am going to sleep. I am exhausted. So, all right. Thank you for watching me play with the Streamlabs and OBS and everything else. Yeah, appreciate all the support. We got 3 subscribers and 6 likes. I'm okay with that considering most of the stream was just me messing around with this thing. So yeah, thanks a lot, and thanks Little Bricks for your help and for for everything. I'm gonna remove you as a moderator now just because I don't know. I don't really need moderators, honestly. I'm fine with everyone just kind of posting whatever they want. But yeah, night everybody, or morning.